Hi everybody, my name is Colin, and about 9 months ago, I asked Al to be my coach in Airbnb and corporate rentals. And fast forward 9 months, I will have 5 corporate rentals. And during this COVID time, I am thriving and making money through arbitrage and also my own rentals. His processes and systems has given me the tools to manage locally and out of state. So whether it's a 1 bedroom apartment in San Mateo County or a 3 bedroom, 2 bath house in Little Rock, Arkansas, his systems and processes work. As a coach, anytime that I reached out to him, whether a text or a phone call, he responded right away. He was encouraging, gave a lot of ideas, and just helped me walk through the process together. And for that, I'm very grateful. I wholeheartedly endorse Al as a coach. Thanks.